Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, friends. It's so nice to have you here again.
Thomas, today feels like a weather talking day.
Oh, yes. Weather is one of the easiest and most natural topics in English.
Exactly. People talk about weather everywhere, at work, on the road, at the bus stop.
Even when they meet strangers for the first time.
Yes, small talk begins with weather.
Classic.
So today, we're going to talk about weather in English in a soft, simple, friendly way.
And show our friends how to make natural weather conversations.
So, Thomas, how's the weather today?
It's actually a little cloudy today. Feels soft and cool.
Yeah, the sky looks gray but calm.
I like cloudy days. They feel peaceful.
Me too. Not too hot, not too cold, just gentle.
Exactly.
You know, the most common question in English is, how's the weather?
Yes. And the answer can be super simple.
Like, it's sunny,
Or it's raining.
or it's cold today.
It's very hot outside.
Those 4 sentences can help you talk in any country.
Sarah, what's your favorite type of weather?
I think I love cool, breezy weather.
Ooh, nice.
The kind where you feel a soft wind on your face.
Yes, that feels relaxing.
What about you?
I like winter. Cold mornings, warm tea, soft blankets.
That sounds cozy.
Very.
So, friends, when you describe weather, you can say, it feels.
Yes. Like, it feels warm.
It feels windy.
It feels humid.
Humid means the air feels wet and sticky.
Yes, sticky weather. Not my favorite.
Mine neither. So, Thomas, what's the weather like where you live right now?
It changes a lot. Morning is cool. Afternoon gets hot. Evening becomes fresh again.
That's like many places in the world.
Yes. You can say the weather keeps changing.
That's a very natural phrase.
You know, talking about the temperature is also simple.
Yes, you can say, it's 20 degrees today.
Or it's below 10 degrees.
Or it's above 30 degrees.
Easy and quick.
Let's also teach some useful words.
Sure. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, stormy.
Snowy, foggy, humid, dry, hot, cold,
These are basic weather adjectives.
and very easy to use. Just say it's and add the word.
Like, it's windy.
Yes, so simple.
You know, Sarah, rainy days make me sleepy.
Oh, yes, same here. The sound of rain is like nature singing.
That's poetic.
I try.
Rainy days are perfect for tea
And movies.
and long naps.
Yes.
What do you usually say on rainy days?
It's raining heavily, or it's raining a little.
You can also say it's drizzling.
Drizzling means very light rain.
Yes, soft rain.
And when the rain stops, you can say, the rain has stopped.
Or the sky is clearing up
That means the clouds are moving away.
and the sun is coming back.
A warm feeling.
Speaking of sun, hot weather can be described easily too.
Yes, you can say, it's really hot today.
Or it's boiling outside.
Yes, boiling means extremely hot.
Or you can say it's burning.
True, but I always prefer it's very hot.
Yes, soft and simple.
What about cold weather, Thomas?
You can say it's freezing.
That means very, very cold.
Or it's chilly.
Chilly means a little cold, like light cold.
Perfect for a jacket. Whenever I travel, I always check the weather forecast.
Same here. Forecast means the prediction, what the weather will be like.
Yes. You can say, the forecast says it will rain tomorrow.
Or the forecast says it will be sunny this weekend.
Weather apps make life easy.
Yes, but sometimes they lie.
Yes. They say no rain and then rain everywhere.
Exactly.
That's why asking people is also helpful.
Yes, asking locals is always a good idea.
And they might say, it usually rains in the evening.
Or the nights are very cold here.
Very practical information.
Yes, perfect for travelers.
Sarah, do you think weather affects mood?
Oh, yes. When it's sunny, I feel more energetic.
Same. And on cloudy days, I feel calm and slow.
On rainy days, I feel cozy and sleepy.
Yes, exactly what I feel.
Weather is like nature's mood.
That's beautiful.
So, friends, when you talk about feelings with weather, you can say things like, it's a beautiful day,
Or, the weather is nice today.
or the weather is terrible today.
All very natural phrases.
So, Thomas, what's your favorite rainy day activity?
Mm, drinking hot tea and reading a book.
Oh, that's perfect.
And you?
Watching a movie and eating something warm.
That sounds lovely. Weekend weather also decides our plans.
Oh, yes. Like, if it's sunny, I'll go for a walk.
Or, if it rains, I'll stay home.
Conditional sentences. Soft and simple.
And very common in daily English.
You know what? Weather is the safest small talk topic.
Yes, you can talk about it with strangers.
And it never feels awkward.
True. It's friendly, light, simple,
Perfect for practicing English.
and perfect for making new friends.
So, Thomas, what were we talking about?
The weather, and somehow also socks.
Right, warm socks. Weekend city views.
They really change your mood on cold days.
True. I love when the weather matches my clothes.
Oh yeah, like cozy clothes on a cozy day.
Exactly.
You know, sometimes the weather surprises me.
How?
Like you wake up thinking it'll be sunny.
And then, boom, rain.
Yes, total betrayal.
The sky's like, gotcha!
Weather has jokes sometimes.
That's why people say weather is unpredictable,
Nice phrase. Happens everywhere, honestly.
even in places that are usually calm.
Yeah, 1 minute wind, next minute sunshine.
Nature likes to keep things interesting.
Sarah, do you check the weather every morning?
I try, but I usually forget.
Me too.
I just look outside and guess.
Old school forecasting.
Yes, simple but helpful.
And sometimes I open my window first.
To feel the temperature, right?
Exactly. The air tells the truth.
That's a nice line. The air tells the truth.
Thank you. The poet in me.
Ha ha, gentle weather poet. Speaking of gentle, I love soft breezes.
Oh, yes. That light, cool wind.
You can say, there's a nice breeze.
Very natural sentence. I use it a lot.
Rainy days also make me want snacks.
Same here. Pakoras, soup, anything warm.
Weather decides the menu.
Yes, that's so true. Sometimes when it rains, I go completely quiet.
Aw, like rain meditation?
Kind of. I just sit and listen.
Actually, that's really calming.
It is nature's sound therapy.
You know what weather I don't like?
Hmm?
Sticky, humid weather.
Oh, yes. The why is my skin melting weather.
Exactly. I feel like a steamed bun.
Haha, a soft steamed Sarah.
Please no.
But good sentence though. It's very humid today.
Yes, simple and very common.
Sarah, have you ever seen a rainbow?
Yeah, a few times. Always magical.
Same. Makes you stop and stare.
And suddenly the whole day feels better.
True. Rainbows fix the mood.
You can say, there's a rainbow in the sky.
Beautiful sentence. Makes people smile.
Thomas, what about night weather?
Oh, I love night weather.
Me too. Feels peaceful, softer.
Even warm nights feel comfortable.
Yes, like the world is resting.
I sometimes take night walks,
Really? That sounds nice.
only when the weather feels safe.
Yes, of course. Safety first.
You can say, the night feels cool.
Or the air feels fresh tonight.
This makes me want tea again.
Same here. Weather always does that.
Weather and tea. Best partnership.
Absolutely.
Thomas, what's your happiest weather memory?
Once I danced in the rain with my cousins.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Yeah, totally unplanned and silly.
That's the best kind of memory.
What about you?
I watched the first snowfall of my life.
Ah, that must have felt magical.
Yes, like tiny stars falling down.
Beautiful.
You know, sharing weather memories also teaches English
Yes, because it's all simple words.
and real life moments.
That makes it easier to remember.
Should we give one more tiny weather story?
Yeah, go for it.
Yesterday evening was cloudy.
And suddenly it started raining softly.
I made a hot drink and sat outside
And the cool wind felt amazing.
until a mosquito attacked me.
Ha ha ha. Nature always balances things.
Yes, beauty with a small slap.
That felt real and relatable.
Yes, because weather is part of daily life.
Okay, Thomas, I think we should slowly wrap up.
Yeah, let's end with a soft note.
Friends, thank you for spending your time with us today.
We hope this conversation felt warm and natural.
Next time you look at the sky, try describing it in English
Small sentences, simple words, your own style.
and enjoy the weather, whatever it is.
We'll see you in the next peaceful episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye, take care, and stay cozy.